Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're going to talk about something truly special, the best Italian linen dress, the Drop Women's Fiona Relaxed Linen Midi Shirt Dress. Whether you're looking for a comfortable, stylish, or breezy outfit for those sunny days, this dress promises to deliver everything you need. This dress is crafted from 100% linen, which means it's lightweight, breathable, and perfect for warm weather. The fabric has that soft, relaxed feel, and it drapes beautifully, making it an ideal option for those laid-back yet chic looks. The design is simple yet elegant, with a collar neckline and a button front closure that adds a nice touch of sophistication. It also has slits on the sides, which not only enhances its stylish appeal but adds to the comfort factor, allowing for better movement. One of the things I absolutely love about this dress is its versatility. It can easily be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Pair it with sandals for a casual outing, or dress it up with some elegant jewelry and heels for an evening event. It's incredibly easy to style and perfect for almost any setting, be it a vacation, a day out with friends, or a lunch date. Another noteworthy feature is its relaxed fit. The dress is designed to be comfortable with a loose fit, but if you prefer a closer fit, you can always size down. The Fiona Relaxed Linen Midi Shirt Dress is available in multiple sizes, making it accessible to various body types. And it comes in a crisp, clean white, a color that pairs well with any accessories or shoes you choose to add. The length of the dress is also just right, reaching mid-calf, which strikes the perfect balance between casual and polished. And let's not forget about the pockets. This dress has pockets, and they're perfect for holding your essentials like your phone or keys when you're on the go. When it comes to maintenance, this dress is easy to care for too. It's machine washable, which means you don't have to worry about delicate hand washing or special cleaning instructions. If you're looking for a staple piece for your wardrobe that can take you from day to night effortlessly, this dress is definitely a winner. With its breathable linen fabric, comfortable fit, and timeless design, it's a piece that you'll find yourself reaching for time and time again. So if you're after that effortlessly chic look, this best Italian linen dress, the Drop Women's Fiona Relaxed Linen Midi Shirt Dress, is the one to get. Thanks for tuning in to this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And make sure to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next one.